If you have glaucoma, optic neuritis, or macular degeneration, you've probably sat in a doctor's office and heard the most devastating words possible. Your optic nerve is dead. There is nothing more we can do. But what if I told you that traditional medicine might be missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? What if many of those cells are not actually dead, but just sleeping? Today, we are uncovering the truth about optic nerve damage and how you might be able to wake up your vision. Welcome back to the channel. The response to our last video about the top 3 eye health breakthroughs in 2026 was absolutely overwhelming. I read every single comment. Many of you shared heartbreaking stories of vision loss from accidents, optic neuritis, and glaucoma. You asked if there is any hope left. To answer that, we need to understand the difference between dead and dormant. When the optic nerve undergoes trauma, whether from high eye pressure in glaucoma or inflammation in optic neuritis, some cells do unfortunately die. This is called apoptosis. But here is the breakthrough. A massive portion of the surrounding cells don't die. Instead, to protect themselves from the stress, they shut down. They go into a state of hibernation. They become dormant. Think of it exactly like your smartphone. When your battery hits 0%, the screen goes black. The phone isn't broken. It's not dead permanently. It simply lacks the energy to function. Your dormant optic nerve cells are the same. They have lost their cellular energy, something called ATP. Because they have no ATP, they can't transmit visual signals to your brain, resulting in blind spots or scotomas. So, if the phone isn't broken, how do we plug it in? How do we recharge the optic nerve? This is where breakthrough number 3 from my last video comes into play: targeted neuromodulation, or STIM. By applying highly specific, safe microcurrents around the eye area, this technology acts like a charger for your cells. It penetrates deep into the tissue to stimulate the mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. Clinical applications show that this stimulation can increase ATP energy production significantly. When those dormant cells finally get the energy they need, they start to wake up. And when they wake up, visual field function can begin to improve. A viewer named Alon asked in my last video, can this help scotomas after optic neuritis? The answer is, this is exactly what STIM is designed for. Optic neuritis leaves behind a battlefield of dormant cells. Neuromodulation is the rehabilitation process to bring them back online. Now, I want to be completely transparent. Every single eye condition is unique. This is not a magic pill, and we need to evaluate if your specific cells are dead or just dormant. If you or a loved one want to know if STIM can help your specific condition, email our medical team directly right now at info@restorevisionherbs.com. Send us your current vision condition, and we will provide a free evaluation to see if you are a candidate for this therapy. The email is on the screen and in the description below. Don't give up hope just yet. Your vision might just be sleeping. Email us today and let's find out together. See you in the next video.